Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix Epic Games Launcher not opening problem. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Task Manager here, and we can see this Epic Games Launcher over here. And if you can't see it in the top, you can simply scroll and find it wherever it is, and simply tap on this. And on the top, you can see this option called End Talks. So simply tap on this, so it will finally be closed, and if you simply get back again and open the app, you'll be able to open it. And if you cannot open it yet, you can go to File Explorer, and let's get into Home, and on the top let's search for local data, that is local app data, and make sure you include it where possible found, and simply tap enter button. And if you scroll down, we'll be able to find Epic Games Launcher over here. Simply tap on that and click on save. Now we can see this red cache over here. So let's tap on this to open it, and here's the cache. Simply click on this and click on right click, and we can see this delete button. And if we simply delete it, we'll be able to clone. Now we need to simply click on this delete button to clear the cache. So after this, we'll be able to open the Epic Games Launcher app. If not, you can try reinstalling the app as well. So that was all. Have you liked the video? Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.